Welcome to Cosmo. Today we are introducing a new launch of a brand influencer program, and this can be used by students, part-time workers, homemakers, or anyone who believes their network as net worth. To complete the brand influencer program, you need to register in Cosmo, join as a brand influencer from the side menu, and you can click and choose the brands that you would like to promote. Now let's look at how to do it. Right. So once you install Cosmo application, you will have this dashboard on the app. Under the shop tab, you can click on the menu on the top left. There is an option called brand influencer. You click on the brand influencer, it will ask you whether are you new, you want to proceed. Yes. Once you proceed, you can enter your details and your PAN number. And you can choose the current currency and also the interested category. By default, you can leave it as rupees, and the code that you would like to use it, where you get the money credited when people use this particular code. For this particular case, I am going to use something called Cosmo Deals. Click on validate if anybody has used it. Looks like nobody has used it, so I am reserving the code, and I am going to type in my bank account number, IFSC code, bank name, account type, and address. We can choose an address, you can edit it, and you can also enter the locality. And then you click submit. It is really simple as a registration process. Your bank details, your home address, your PAN card. Once you enter it, and you can go back to influencer. Now there is an option called add business to your list. You click on it. You can choose the brands which you like to share and earn. In this, there are multiple brands. For example, Art and Weaves. As you can see, there is something called your commission and there is something called buyer discount. When your network, someone buys from using your code, they get a 7% discount and you get an indirect kickback of 5% in this business. For example, Jawari. Here it is you get a 10% and the buyer gets a 5%. And in every option, there is only 20 slots available as a brand influencer. Only if the slots are available, as you can see in the green color, only if it is available, you can join. So I'm going to choose join for Jawari and I'm going to be part of it. So as you can see, I'm subscribing to that particular business. Now I have successfully joined. Now the count will become 19, and in my list, if I go back in my list, I have the business Jawari, and I can refer business and I can refer products right from here. And when I say refer products, it will go into the Jawari's menu, and I can choose any particular product to refer as well. And any product that I refer, and I can share it into WhatsApp or any other social media mechanism. I'm just going to share right here, just a test, and as you can see, the product getting shared. You will get it. What is the deals? Cosmo Coop deals. You have to share before this particular date, and what is the offer, you get it. And similarly, and I can also share the business. I get this. Right click on the blue color button. I can also watch if somebody has purchased. I will be able to get the list of people, the purchases, and the pending amount that I need to get credit. And I can also get to see how much amount I have got credit from the Cosmo, right clicking on the settled amount. Now if I want to add more businesses, I can also click here, and there is also a filter option on the right top. It also gives me what is the newest business that has come in, newly listed. and the category I can choose. For example, I'm interested to pick only a specific beauty area or auto care or health care. I can choose on it, or by default it will be all. If I want a nearby to my home, I can always click on nearby to home and click on done as well. So you will get on the shorter list of businesses where you can pick and choose for sharing. As you can see, this number of slots is allocated 70 slots, 23 slots and stuff, and we can pick and choose only when the slots are available to choose. Yeah, and that's all about it. Now I recommend everyone to use it and earn from here. Thank you very much.